Welcome. Find a comfortable position where your body can completely relax. You may choose to sit comfortably or lie down on your back. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, breathe in calmness and breathe out tension. One more time. Inhale deeply and release completely. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. This time is dedicated entirely to your healing. As you continue breathing softly and naturally, begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nose. Feel your chest rising. Feel your body receiving life with every breath. And with every exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, deeper into peace, deeper into healing. Pause. As your body relaxes, become aware of a beautiful truth. Deep within you exists an incredible healing intelligence. Your body knows how to heal. Your mind knows how to restore balance. Your spirit knows how to return to harmony. You are not separate from healing. You are healing. And right now, you are activating that natural power within. Take a deeper breath. As you inhale, imagine drawing in pure healing energy. As you exhale, allow stress and resistance to dissolve away. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more peaceful, more open. Now bring your awareness to the palms of your hands. Simply notice them. Perhaps you feel warmth, perhaps tingling, perhaps subtle sensations, or maybe nothing at all. Whatever you experience is perfectly okay. Simply become aware. Imagine now that beautiful streams of radiant white light begin flowing down from above. Pure healing light, pure life force energy, pure universal wisdom. This healing light gently enters both of your palms. See it, feel it, sense it. Allow the light to flow effortlessly into your hands. With every inhale, the light grows stronger. With every exhale, it travels upward through your arms, flowing through your wrists, your forearms, your elbows, your shoulders, and finally arriving in your heart. At the center of your chest, imagine a magnificent sphere of glowing white light, a brilliant healing orb, radiant, powerful, alive. Each breath makes it brighter. Each breath expands its energy. Inhale healing light through your palms. Exhale and send it to your heart. Again, inhale healing energy. Exhale into your heart. Continue this rhythm. Feel your heart becoming a powerful center of healing energy, a source of restoration, a source of renewal, a source of love. Now gently place one hand over your heart, then place the other hand on top. Feel the warmth, feel the connection, feel the sacred energy gathering within you. As your hands rest upon your heart, silently repeat, I am healing. I am restoring balance. I am open to receiving healing energy. My body knows how to heal. My mind knows how to heal. My spirit knows how to heal. Pause and allow these words to settle deeply within you. Now imagine the glowing sphere in your heart becoming larger, brighter, stronger with every breath. Its healing energy expands throughout your entire body, flowing into your chest, your shoulders, your neck, your face, your head, flowing into your abdomen, your hips, your legs, your feet. Every cell is illuminated. Every cell is receiving healing. Every cell is awakening. Imagine trillions of tiny lights sparkling throughout your body, each one carrying health, vitality, strength, and perfect balance. Now bring awareness to any area of your body that may need healing. Perhaps it is physical discomfort, emotional pain, mental exhaustion, stress, or simply an area calling for more love and attention. Without judgment, bring your awareness there. Imagine the radiant healing light flowing directly to that place, like warm sunlight, like liquid gold, like divine energy. Feel the light surrounding the area completely. Softly, gently, lovingly, as you breathe, silently repeat, I see you as healthy. I see you as whole. I see you as strong. I see you as healed. Allow your body to receive these words. Allow every cell to hear them. Allow every part of you to remember its natural state of wellness. Stay here for a few moments, breathing, receiving, healing. Now imagine your entire body glowing with beautiful white and golden light. You are surrounded by a field of healing energy, protected, supported, nurtured. Every breath amplifies this energy. Every breath strengthens your connection to your inner healer. Feel gratitude arising within you. Gratitude for your body. Gratitude for your breath. Gratitude for your heart. Gratitude for your journey. Even if healing feels incomplete, even if challenges remain, choose gratitude for this moment, because healing begins with awareness, and awareness is here now. Place both hands over your heart once again. Take a deep breath and silently repeat, I love myself. I honor myself. I trust my healing journey. I am worthy of complete wellness. Healing energy flows through me now. I am becoming stronger every day. I am safe. I am whole. I am healing. Allow these affirmations to echo throughout your entire being. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your heart feels. Notice the peace within. Take another deep breath in. Hold it gently. Feel the healing energy filling every part of your body. And slowly exhale, releasing anything you no longer need. One more deep breath. Inhale peace. Inhale healing. Inhale light. And slowly release. Begin becoming aware of the room around you. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers. Move your toes. Carry this healing energy with you throughout the rest of your day. Know that this power is always within you, available whenever you choose to connect with it. take one final deep breath, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for joining this self-healing meditation session. How did you feel after this healing energy meditation? Did you experience warmth, tingling, relaxation, emotional release, or a sense of inner peace? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story may inspire and encourage someone else on their healing journey. If this meditation helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Calmify Meditation for more guided meditations, healing energy practices, mindfulness exercises, and deep relaxation sessions. Wishing you peace, wellness, and healing energy always.